Hello everyone, welcome to today's online training. Today we are going to introduce Dify AI agent platform, Quick Start. Today we will give a quick overview how to develop an application by Dify platform. The major topic will cover three parts. Number one, that is the Dify platform architecture. And then number two, that is Dify official platform. And then Dify linkage platform here. And then number three, that is the Dify platform Quick Start is here. So, okay, I think we can be start about today's fourth topic, Dify AI agent platform architecture. Um, bef Before we dive in detail about how to use Dify platform, let me share with you about overview about Dify platform in terms of architecture. Probably you can see here. So from this picture, you can see Dify platform is like a set of Lego block, right? So in that Lego set of block, you can see we have at least a different layer. You can see number one, we have a layer here. That is the all of the AI, large language AI model. So it can be covered, let's say the open AI. That was the you most everyday used ChatGPT. And then you also can be see there was a Jimmy is coming from Google, and then there was a Llama coming from Facebook. So that is the number one. And then number two layer, you can see here is a lot of internal feature. So from you can see workflow, knowledge base, prompt IDE, and then orchestration. So workflow means you can be define your entire application by your ideally flow. So then it will be mapping your dedicated demand or requirements. And the knowledge means you can be upload a lot of your dedicated information. Let's say, for example, your product information. Then once there was any question coming from clients, then AI can be feedback about your product's information specifically. And then here that is prompt IDE. That means we can be better config, write down the prompt, and then to control the AI working for you. And then based on that, this one is the most important. That one is enable the drop and drag feature to define your AI application in different working flow and so on. So based on that, you can see on the top layer here. So you can see we have the chat application. It means if you want to build up one of feature like or application like ChatGPT, then you need this one. Plus, we can see the OpenAI large language model. Then this feature and this feature combined together. Then we build up the similar application like ChatGPT. So then we can simply use the Dify. And then the agent means the one of more complex parts. It can be integrated with a lot of third-party tools and so on. So based on that, we can easily see how the difference between the Dify, let me write down D, versus GPT, right? So GPT, we can see that is only one of a chat application rely on the OpenAI large language engine. We can use the Dify to build a similar application. It can be also combined with Olama. So we can build up the Olama together with a chat application. Then that's another AI application, similar like ChatGPT, your daily usage. So that is the entire architecture and the entire difference comparing with the Dify and the ChatGPT. So in simple words, so the Dify platform like one of two sets. Based on these tools, you can be program a lot of application based on different engine capacity. So it cannot be limited by only the chat application. It can be go for the more complex task based on the working flow, based on the knowledge base, also based on the orchestration, which will be reduce your program complexity level. So that's the entire architecture. So today we are going to introduce. Okay, let's go to the second part or second topic. What is difference between Dify official platform and then Dify linkage platform? So here I would like to clarify the concept. First, regarding the Dify AI platform. First of all, Dify is an open source platform. What that means? That means, so if you have the server, you can be set up your own Dify platform or environment and then use the Dify platform for free. So that is very, very important. However, if you need to be access GPT or other paid large language model, which I introduced in the previous session, you still need to be paid for the money about how much token or how many token you use to request the AI engine to work for you. So that is the things today I would like to highlight. So on top of that, more important things like here is so based on this logic. So when you want to develop AI application, then probably especially for our training students, you have two choice. At least you have one more choice than other guys who want to develop an application by Dify platform. So number one choice, like everyone of technical guy want to develop an AI application, they can use the Dify AI platform, which hosted by Dify development team. So that is number one. And then for our students, on top of this one, you have another choice I highlight here. So your choice is you can also access our Linkist Dify platform. That means we use Dify open source and then deploy the entire feature hosted in our Linkist server. And then here is the things we dedicate provided towards our students. More important here is that is of course the cost when you want to use the Dify platform. So based on that, what is actually the difference between the two platforms? From number one, from the function perspective, there was no difference. However, there was the huge difference in terms of pricing. So if you already checked Dify platform price, probably you already know the price for Dify platform is around $95 per month, which also Dify official platform offer free account, but there was only 200 times trial run for free. And then for our Dify platform, so our price was hosted in our server, that is 2,400 DACA per month. So that is dedicated for our students. Of course, we will only provide this type of price for the first 3 months, and then we probably will be increased price after the 3 months. But actually, the 3 months is dedicated for you to learn, to use, and then to study the Dify platform. And then by the end of the the 3 months, probably you already programmed a very strong AI application by yourself. So let me take 1 minute to share actually the real what is the difference and then what is the similar between the AI official platform and the Linkist platform. You can see here. So this is the Dify official platform. You can see, and then but the key difference you can see the URL that is Dify.ai. And then you also can see this is our Linkist Dify AI platform. So the URL is ai.easyapp.com. So from the URL, you can see that it's quite different. But if we log in, it's almost the similar. So in terms of feature-wise or function-wise, there was no difference. You can see this is AI application from the Easy App from Linkist. And then you can see the feature here. And then let's also log in here, get start. So you can see it's still the similar interface like here, right? So that's why I told you from the feature or function wise, that is the exactly same. The only difference here is the price. And then why there was the difference in the price? Because we want to offer our students a better price, and then you can really focus on how to development your own AI application. Then let's go to topic number 3, Dify platform quick start. So in this session, probably we will give you a quick overview. What is the major feature? What is the major layout for Dify platform? Then based on that, you probably will know how to use this platform and then how to quick start. Okay, you can see the number one. So create your Dify account. So that is either way, especially in the Dify official platform. So you can just use the a Google account or GitHub account, then click login, then you will be finished the account creation and then log into the Dify official platform. So after you log in the Dify official platform, then probably you will be see there was a four major the navigation feature over there. That was the explore, studio, knowledge, and choose. Okay. And then let's go for actually the page and then I will introduce them one by one. So you can see here is the official Dify platform homepage after you log in. Based on that, you can see there was four major feature here. Number one, explore. Number two, studio. And then number three, knowledge. And then number four, tools. I think today I will be introduce the major functionality for each of them, and then you will be have the quick overview. What is the each of them? What is the major function about them? So let's starting from the studio because we already in the studio page here. So the studio is one of your how say the own AI application development studio or page. In this page, you can see from the here you can start to create your own AI application. It can be from the blank. You also can be created from some existing application. Of course, you also can be import some existing program file. So that is the things. And then here you can see that is a different AI application you already created, and then some of them might be you already published. So that is a studio page. In short, in studio page that is dedicated provide you the feature to develop your AI application. So that is the major function of the studio page. Okay, then let's go to the Explorer page. So it's our page somehow like application stores. So what that means? That means in this page you can see there was a lot of application already built up by other how's it guys, and then these guys publish this application, and then this guy share this application over there. You can see this is also some categories. Some of them is agent, some of them is assistance. So that is the how's it the name by the housing rule. And then here that is named application by the different feature. Some of them used for HR domain, some of them used for software programming, and then some of them used for the writing. So based on that, you can see all of application already listed here. So this one is one, this one is one, and then you can see here all of them are the A application already finished program by the other guys, and then this guy want to share this application with you guys. Then the key point here is if you think some of them is similar with your demands, what is you can do? You can be just simply copy and paste, and then you can be based on your copy paste, and then optimize based on your dedicated requirements and dedicated working flow. Then your work was done. So that is the number two. Explore the major functionality. Okay, then let's go for the knowledge. Probably you already know. So here we can be upload a lot of documents we name after like knowledge base. What is actually knowledge base means? You can see AI engine like the human brain they store tons of information. And then especially, let's say one of the scenario, you design one of unique and new products. And then if you want AI write down what is your products, I think that probably very challenging because you never told your AI engine. Then how could AI engine know what is this product is? Because AI engine only can be searching the network information and also searching the existing information and then give you feedback. That's why in case you want to build up your dedicated knowledge, then you probably need to be create knowledge and then upload all of information related with your topic. So I think that is knowledge feature over there. And then last part you can see here is the tools. So based on that, probably you will be a little bit confused. You can see in the tools page there was a lot of tools available already. So you can see from the first one that is Google. What that means? That means you can be able to directly schedule the Google search feature in our AI application. It will be help you to searching the information which you are not know clearly, and then but you hope your AI engine can be learned clearly, and then further AI engine can be generate good contents based on your demands. And then that is only one of examples. Search. Of course, we have other tools like image, like warehouse, a lot of things. So in case you want to integrate with a third party, probably your first choice should be here. So that is the two major functionality. Let me make another example. For example, you want to travel to let's say Beijing. However, during the coming 2 or 4 days, so Beijing weather forecast tell you there was one of big rain in the following 2 days. Based on that, how could you really plan your calendar or travel or trip agenda? Then probably if we want our AI can be planned the positive busy trip, then AI should be searching the internet and then searching the local temperature or weather, and then it can be generated a script for what type of information you want to present in these special or dedicated environments. I think that is the full feature we already introduced in AI platform. On basis of the full feature support, you can able to build up, diversify, and tons of new AI application based on your own demands or based on your class demands. And then based on that, you can be sharing the final work and then to your friends, to your family, let them to check how was your working and then what type of things you are working. This will be very, very interesting, but sometimes it's also very, very challenging. So, okay, that is for today's training. And then welcome you to join our next session training. That is how to, based on the Dify platform, build up one of very easy AI application. Okay, so let's close today's training and then see you next round. Bye bye.